Hello. So today we will be doing math level 1, and today we are Tuesday, September 15th, 2020. So in this group, we have Joanna Hartley, Juan Garza de Anda, and Mia Salinas. So go ahead and take out your worksheets, and today we're working on Explorer Math, Roadside Stand 1, and we're working on pages 58 and 59. So let's get started. Remember, please write your name and date on your assignments. So we're going to start with page 58. It says, Miss Thompson runs a roadside stand of apple orchards. Use this page to solve the problems on the next 3 pages. We're only going to do actually 1 page. The rest we'll leave for another day. So hint, pounds, the way it's abbreviated, is a short way or abbreviation of instead of writing pounds. So right here you have 5 pounds, 5 pounds. So each 5-pound basket of apples is $5. Here you have onions. So each bag of onions is 2 pounds and it's $2. And here you have potatoes. So each bag of potatoes, sack of potato is 10 pounds and it's $4. So here are 6-pound carving pumpkins and they're $6 each. So, and then you have smaller pumpkins over here, which are 3 pounds, and they're $3 each. So let's get started. So you're going to be going back and forth to the other page, so you can see that how much everything costs. So 1 basket of apples, that's 5 pounds, and 1 bag of potatoes, which is 10 pounds. So let's go back and see. So the basket of apples is $5 and the sack of potatoes is $4. So what you're going to write right here is 5 plus 4 and your answer. So you're going to do the same thing for problem 2, 3, and 4. Once you have completed the assignment, please upload it to Teams. And if you have any questions, please message your teacher and we'll be able to help you. So let's get started.